And we're going to use it's called SRT corrected BP. I'm going to make sure everything is plugged in and on and that it is responding. Cool. So the other things that we're going to do are we're going to put your left-handed or right-handed.
Right.
So here, use this arm. This goes on your upper arm. Cool. And then you put it down. If you want to hold your hand, just like face palm down, good. This guy first. So here we're gonna do the wrist cuff, and actually, do you want to do like the baseline hand grip first, or do you want to do the blood pressure first? You should probably do the baseline hand grip first.
No, should do baseline blood pressure first.
Yeah,
Baseline blood pressure first? Okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get 3 minutes. These front two fingers, we're gonna pull it in, and then you have to really make sure it's in tight, or else it won't go. So now it's gonna start initializing.
What else do you need?
Right now.
Yep.
If we're just doing blood pressure and heart rate, you can do only with this.
Okay. It's probably more accurate with ECG. We need the we need the bioreflex sensitivity.
Oh, if you're doing the bioreflex sensitivity, then yes, we actually do need the ECG.
And it's more accurate if you have the ECG data. Right.
So Mina, can you grab? Okay, so put your arm down.
Relax.
Yeah, you gotta.
Yeah, we
Just
don't want
relax
you to
your whole hand.
hold anything.
Yep.
Relax, relax.
So don't. And the other thing is now don't move your hand once I'm starting it. So we're gonna go to new patient, adult defaults, and it's gonna start to calibrate. But where it was, it wouldn't have calibrated. Looks like it's on. So I'm gonna actually gonna check and see. Is he gonna hold it for any amount of time, or is it just squeeze as hard as you can?
Just squeeze as hard as you can.
Okay. So you're gonna hold it like right around here, like a little bit away from the gripper, not down at the middle, not all the way up top, probably like a finger length away. And then
I would slide up maybe a little more.
yeah. That's probably perfect.
And then when you're doing this, just make sure your wrist is in a neutral position, so it shouldn't be flexed or extended. So just make sure it's kind of in line with your forearm, if that makes sense.
He has never done any fitness assessment class before, so you can.
So yeah, that I find is probably like a helpful way to do it. So the end is like hanging off the table, so you're not trying to hold it up. So yeah, just your wrist in a neutral position, so it shouldn't be up or down or twisted, rotated at all.
Straight.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we're gonna go back to the beginning. And so when I tell you to go, just squeeze as hard as you can and then let it go. Go.
Do we have 30 seconds in between? Did I read it right?
60 seconds.
I'm sorry, like 60 seconds in between?
So again, make sure when you're squeezing it, it looks like
Press this button to show all the graph data. So it's gonna show everything, and you wanna use, so what do you wanna use? Do you wanna use, do you wanna use the mean of the three, or do you wanna use the max of the three?
the max of the 3.
Okay, so what I would do is I would change this to selected channel, and then you'll make sure that you're on the selected channel, and then here you can change this to max, this box right here, and then obviously by looking you can see this first one was the highest one. So the max was 48.2 kilograms.
48.2. Okay, let's see what that is. %, so 14.46.
Okay.
And if it wasn't visually noticeable, what would you do to find the max, like of the 3?
Of the 3, let's bring it over. Maybe I'll bring it over. Here. So we are gonna unhide this. And we said it was like 14.46.
Yes.
Okay. Let's do 14.46. So that's gonna be the midpoint. And then we'll set the scale to be 3 kilograms of division. So maybe not, that's okay though. It's not doing it that precisely. It's setting it at 15. Just because the scale is so big. The question is like, is 14 or 15 okay if we round up or down to the nearest kilogram?
I would assume so, because half a kilogram
is 1 pound. So let's try 14.
And you can't make, I guess the spread.
You want them to bring the green bar that's gonna come up, and we can even test it. So here, squeeze, and I want you to bring that green bar up to this line, right here, and just keep it right on there. Like right in the middle, that's perfect. And relax. So we're gonna have you bring it up there. Edit, clear. So we're gonna have you bring it up to this line, and we want you to hold it here for 3 minutes.
Can you zoom out? It's so close.
So that's the issue that we're having, is that if we zoom out, then you can't see the 14 kilogram line. So it keeps you at like 15.
Because you're trying to be above 14.
Yeah.
And all those little spikes.
Yeah, so all those little spikes it's the voltage from this, and it isn't like a perfect line. That's just the way that the load cell is.